Renting your first home in Spain? Here's what you can expect from a Spanish rental contract. In Spain, most rental agreements fall under the Urban Leases Act, with two main types: long-term leases for primary residences and short-term or seasonal rentals for temporary stays. Long-term contracts offer more tenant protections, including renewal rights and limits on rent increases, while short-term rentals are more flexible but less regulated. As a tenant, you'll need to pay rent and utilities on time, maintain the property, and follow community rules. Landlords must provide a habitable home, respect your privacy, and return your security deposit within 30 days of moving out. Rent increases are usually tied to inflation and must be clearly stated in the contract. Knowing your rights and obligations ensures a smooth rental experience in Spain.